When creating ambient or generative music using HTML and JavaScript, randomization becomes one of the most powerful tools for sonic expansion. By introducing controlled randomness into tonal selection, chord progressions, timing, and effects, we move from static repetition toward a constantly evolving sound texture that feels alive. In practice, randomization does not mean chaos. Rather, it introduces micro-variations that mimic organic human behavior and natural acoustic motion. In a system like Tone.js, randomization can be integrated at multiple levels. For example, modes and chord sets can be switched at periodic intervals, creating evolving harmonic color. Within each mode, weighted random note selection ensures that no single pitch dominates, while still maintaining tonal coherence. The ear perceives this as movement inside stability, a core aesthetic of ambient and generative composition. Tempo and duration parameters can also be modulated slightly around a central value. Tiny tempo drifts or duration fluctuations introduce rhythmic breathing, similar to the way live performers naturally push and pull timing. When applied to arpeggiated guitar textures, this subtle irregularity transforms mechanical patterns into flowing musical gestures. Effect layers such as reverb and delay respond beautifully to random variation. Randomly modulating reverb wetness or delay feedback over time adds dynamic depth to the stereo field. These fluctuations help prevent the listener from perceiving looping or static repetition, a key principle in long-form ambient production. The idea is to keep the texture in perpetual motion even when the harmonic rhythm remains slow. Randomization can also occur in spatial and dynamic domains. For instance, varying gain levels across multiple guitar layers allows occasional prominence shifts, producing the sensation of instruments moving through space. Similarly, randomly panning individual notes or chords within a defined range builds a subtle immersive field that holds listener attention without explicit melodic change. The most effective use of randomness is probabilistic rather than absolute. Instead of letting every parameter change unpredictably, define probability ranges for each. For example, a 10% chance of chord substitution, a 5% chance of arpeggio inversion, or a 20% chance of triggering a higher octave.